Hey guys, so today I wanted to bring to you my beach wave curl tutorial. So first thing I'm gonna do is apply some of the Unite Blonda oil. I'm gonna take a good size section, so about this big, and I'm gonna go over just smoothing it a couple times, and then we're gonna wrap. So when we're wrapping our hair, we do not wrap your hair on top of itself when it's on the barrel. So I'll kind of do this piece and explain again. You'll always want to smooth out a couple of times so that you don't get funky kinks or curls or frizzies to come back. Okay, so I'm gonna take a good chunk of hair. Again, I'm gonna smooth, and when I wrap, the hair is never going to sit on top of itself. So if you guys can see, I have some hair here and then I have here, but it's not overlapping. And that's gonna kind of help to avoid some Shirley Temple curls. So I'm gonna unravel and unravel to make more room on my curling iron, and then I'm gonna unclamp and clamp, twist down, and keep twisting. So when you get to the end, you're just gonna pull straight down. And essentially what we're doing here to make those nice beach waves as opposed to more structured curls, essentially what we're doing is stretching our curls out as we curl. So that's also why we don't want to overlap the hair on top of itself. So we're gonna unravel, open, close as we move down, unravel, and pull straight down when you get to your ends. So when you get up here, if you guys have extensions and you have natural up here and extensions on the bottom, a good tip for you is to never finish your natural ends more than your extension hair. So like I have this much natural sticking out still. So from here, I'm gonna pull straight down, and this, if you guys can see this little curl right here that's kind of stretched out, is gonna help me blend my natural hair in with my extension hair. So I'm gonna leave these curls alone. Like I said before, if they look like dreads, you're doing it right. And I do have my curling iron all the way turned up as far as the heat goes because I'm trying to move quickly. This is supposed to be like a quick style that you can do within, 10-15 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna close open, and pull down. And the bigger this section I get, you guys, the more passes I go smoothing it over, just to be sure it's nice and finished looking and it's not gonna get frizzy, tangled, knotted, anything like that. So, and then of course, the more hair you have, like the bigger section you take, you can hold it there a little bit longer, even if your heat is all the way up. Now, I wouldn't suggest that on your natural hair, but on your extension hair, as long as you have heat protectant on, you're good to go. Before I start combing through them with my fingers or brushing through them with a brush, I'm gonna spray this Kevin Murphy Do-Over spray. If you guys watched my live, you know about this already. It's a dry powder spray. So I'm gonna kind of spray upwards into my hair this way instead of on top. I don't want to spray down this way because it'll just get on top. So I really want it to get in there. So I'm gonna kind of fluff and spray and fluff and spray on your natural hair, yes. On your extensions, up near your roots. This is just gonna give hold and lots of volume. So I don't know about you guys, but the bigger the hair, the smaller the hips. That's what we're going for. See how these look like dreads, you guys? That is exactly what you want. I know it looks crazy right now, but I swear that's what you want. Okay, now that everything's cooled and sprayed with our do-over spray, I'm now gonna take my fingers and start breaking up my curls. A lot of people do it this way where they just use their fingers. I really prefer to go through it with my fingers, and then I'll show you what I do with my brush. Just cause I like a little bit of a softer look, so using my fingers to comb through isn't always my favorite. I like to finish it just a little bit more. Okay, then I'm gonna take my wet brush and I'm gonna hold up top here, pull upwards, and then brush. I'm not gonna do this to all of my hair, but just a couple sections, because like I said, I like it to be a little bit of a softer look. So that's what I'm gonna do here. And then I always like to brush through my bang area. Okay, dry shampoo is next in line. Fresh Hair from Kevin Murphy. I'm gonna spray that up in here. Same motion, you guys, spraying up into the hair as opposed to down and spraying on top. Okay, last but not least, we have Kevin Murphy Session Spray. This is a finishing spray, so yes, it is a little bit of a firmer hold. I really like it because you can use less, but for clean hair, I'm not a big fan of clean hair. It's too slippery. I don't know. I just like hair that has a little grit to it. So I'm going to, same thing, spray upwards, getting in my natural hair, my extension hair, get out my ends, and we're kind of fluffing the hair as we spray. Then you go in and kind of fine tune to get a little bit more fluffy here. Also, you guys, don't forget about the back. I know this is all you see, but everyone else sees the back, so that matters too. All right, guys, this is it. Here are our beach wave curls. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This will be my first IGTV, so let me know how you like it. Give me a like and comment below. And I will see you back here sometime next week with a new tutorial. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments below, and I will see you next time.